It's not every day you walk into a shop selling human bones.
People who come in are surprised when we hear a lot of oohs and ahs and wows. The question most people ask first is this real?
Ownerpreneurs Juliana Stevens and Dad Bill work with archeologists and paleontologists to curate an unusual and undeniably real collection for the Evolution store in New York City.
We sell natural history collectibles, taxidermy, fossils, minerals.
Being part of a family business has its ups and downs, but I wouldn't have it any other way.
Their passion may be artifacts, but they wanted a point-of-sale system that was cutting edge.
We had a old school cash register, so we really wanted to get into the 21st century.
They got into it with 2 Clover stations and minis and saved time doing it.
Doing payroll every week would take hours. Closing takes 5 minutes, and that saves me money because my employees can go home earlier.
And the upgrade didn't take a bite out of their budget.
We didn't have a lot of money to invest in getting a system set up, and Clover was able to adapt.
Their business has really evolved using Clover.
I would definitely recommend that other business owners consider Clover for their point-of-sale system. It will save you time in ways you hadn't even considered.
Leaving more time to focus on the furry and the frightening.
We want to share with people our fascination and appreciation for the natural world.